All right. Yeah, so I got a lot going on here with CAD, JPY. Um, this joint is beautiful though. And then I see a double top situation right now going on the daily. Um, hmm, get rid of some of this confusion. Bouncing off a 200 EMA, dropping down on the weekly. It's a huge candle, man. I don't know if I could have like traded that previous day though. Um, Not really a pullback here. It dropped aggressively today, so I don't know. I don't know if there's a trade here or one coming up. Feels like it should, but it's like it's pretty trending, trendy. It's just not it's not clean. CHF is actually cleaner. I'm gonna watch it. Maybe I can become a better trader just by watching that. I don't think I can take any trades though. I don't think it's that clean. Um, Weekly, this kind of looks like it's kind of sorta um, wedging, something like this. Man, I got a lot going on as far as drawings go on this. Seems like it's wedging though, ish. This is the weekly chart, so it's a big ass wedge, and then that wedge is going to take forever to actually play out on a weekly chart. Let's see what's happening on daily. Came out banged off of this key level, really nice, um, and then broke through 50 MA, 618 fib. Um, Knew that something big had happened, and that's why we came back and tested so hard here, this long tail. So it looks like we dropped down from here. Um, we'll see something that sets up off of the 618 or close to it, right? What I would look for is something like this on the downside of the 50. So I want to come back and enter before. So the 50's got that overarching like support here. And so we can boom, drop in. Obviously, I have a pretty tight stop loss on this one. Um, I try to trade something like that. So I'll leave that on. It's nice. And then I got AUD pairs, so I'll make a video for that real quick, and we're done.